Hello there, and welcome to this new video. In this video, we will be launching our own Solana meme coin under 5 minutes. Head over to QuickMint.fun. Link will be in the description. Next, we want to connect our wallet. To do that, click the Select Wallet buttons at the top right of the website. When you do that, you select the wallet you are using, like Phantom or Solflare. I will be using my Phantom wallet, so I will connect it. Once you have connected your wallet, click the Create Token. Then fill in your token details. For this video, I will name my Token 6 7kit. The symbol will be 6-7! Then I will upload the token image. After filling the token details, click Next. Now I will leave the recommended decimal, which is 9, and the token supply at the recommended supply of 1 billion. Then I will fill in a short description. After I'm done, I will click Next. Now you can modify creator info, but that will cost you an extra 0.02 Solana. But it's not needed. You can also add socials, but again, not needed. Now you can also use the premium add-ons to help boost your token to places like Dex Screener. Now revoke authorities, make sure you select them. They help attract buyers and makes your coin trustworthy. Now click Create Token and confirm the transaction. Once confirmed, your token will be minted and you can view on Solscan or Explorer. If you open your Phantom wallet, you will see your token has been minted. The next thing to do is to add liquidity. Now we did that already in our last video, so you can go check it out. Thanks for watching this video. And now you know how to create your own Solana meme coin under 5 minutes. Make sure to use QuickMint when creating meme coins.